What is the relationship between lung diseases and gut microbiota? Is it a chicken and egg dilemma? And how this relationship works in the context of air pollution exposure? So first, we want to see the relationship between lung disease and gut microbiota. I believe that's a difficult question to answer because so here we want to see that if people are suffering from respiratory diseases, and definitely there are some uh, main mechanisms, underlying mechanisms like inflammation, oxidative stress, and also lung microbiota dysbiosis. So they can cause systemic effects like inflammation, and that inflammation, systemic inflammation, can induce dysbiosis in gut microbiota. So then also here we have that gut microbiota also when is their function and diversity and their composition will be changed by triggers like systemic inflammation, and so the result could be uh, less beneficial bacteria and less metabolites like short chain fatty acids. So on the other hand, also when there is a dysbiosis in gut microbiota because of the local effects like gut unhealthy gut. So this also can cause again the same pattern, can cause more pathogen. It can cause a higher abundance of pathogenic bacteria and also less abundance of beneficial bacteria, and also there is more inflammation or systemic inflammation is there, and also less uh, metabolites like short-chain fatty acids. So these two pathways are kind of are a possible explanation. But how these pathways can work in the context of air pollution? So we know that, for instance, respiratory diseases following exposure to air pollution again can cause inflammation, or the same underlying mechanisms like inflammation, oxidative stress, and also dysbiosis in lung bacteria, that also they can cause systemic effects like systemic inflammation, and that can cause changes in gut microbiota. And on the other hand, also when particulate matters or air pollution can reach the intestinal or gut, and they also can cause local and systemic adverse effects. So those also can cause changes in bacteria function and diversity, and systemically they also can cause changes in respiratory health. Mm, as I said, that's a difficult question to answer, and I think also it needs like more prolonged prolonged studies to see how this relationship between lung disease and gut microbiota works. Thanks.